my Pinduoduo app in English. Wow. Watch to the end to know how to change your Pinduoduo app to English, French, Spanish. And you don't need a translation app. Like this video. Oh my God. Look at everything. Alright, welcome to Genesio's channel. So, are you interested in importing from Pinduoduo and the translation is just like a barrier? Then I'll be using my screen record right now, not wasting time, to show you how to translate with your smartphone and shop on Pinduoduo as a pro, like a pro. Alright everyone, you're welcome back. So here I'll be using my screen record to show you how to translate Pinduoduo app to English. Pinduoduo app is a Chinese buying shopping website, and this app you don't have issue of MOQ means minimum order quantity. On this app you can buy as low as one, not insisting it. There are some items that they will tell you they can't sell one, but on Pinduoduo you can buy as low as one, and their items are super amazing quality, top notch. So how do you translate? You're going to be using and see customers reviews so you don't fall victim of scam and all that. Now the first method will be using what I will call our WeChat. Now this is WeChat. If you don't have WeChat, go to your Play Store, App Store, download WeChat account. Click on your WeChat account. Now here, when you click on your WeChat account, you go to me. When you go to your me, now look at the me down here. You click on your me. Once you click on your me, it will come to this interface. Yes, the next thing you do is to go to what you call pay and services. Go to pay and services, click on your pay and services. You scroll down till you see what we call buy together. You just quickly click on that and boom, this is your Pinduoduo app right here. God, please hit that like button if you've not subscribed. Well, to hit the subscribe button, guys. Now this is a Pinduoduo app, and our next video I will show you you see this freezer I've bought, and it just arrived. So turn on the notification bell, because my next video I'll be showing you the unboxing of this freezer and how I bought it here on Pinduoduo. Now this is your Pinduoduo app right here. Now if you can watch it closely, is on Chinese. Now how do you change your Pinduoduo now to English language? The first thing you do is to go to this your three icon on the help side here. Don't know if you are seeing this, this three icon here. Yes. And you can also picture search here, but that's not what I'm talking about here, so this don't want to be too long. Go to this your three icon, then you come over to the downside. This downside here, we have one, you have two. Go to the downside, scroll to your left. You see what they call translation. Click on the translation and boom, your Pinduoduo app is in English. No, this is in French. I changed it to French before. No, now this is in French. Your Pinduoduo app is in French. Let me show you how to change it to different languages. All right, so how do you change to different languages? Now let's do that. So the first one we did now is on French. Now let's change it to English. I changed to French earlier on before making this video. I didn't have not changed to French. Now how do you change to English language? Go to your settings, click on the setting icon. Now general. Good. Go to general, please note this correction. Please don't go to chat. Don't go to chat. Go to general. Click on general. Now please look at it attentively. You go to where you see what they call translate. See that, boom. So we have, please don't make mistake. We have language, we have translate. Please don't go to language, go to translate. All right, click on translate. You see this interface. You can see that the first one was showing French because I changed it to French. So but right now we're going to be changing to different languages. You quickly click on this icon here. See this, let's click on it. Once you click on it, now you will see English, Indonesia. So you can change your Pinduoduo app right now to English language, Indonesia, to Italy, to Portuguese, to Dutch, to French. I've already showed us on French. This is the French. The first one we showed was French. Now let's go to English language right now. Click on English, and then after clicking on the one selected language, you click on done. After you click on done, that is your done right here. So click on done. Automatically now you can see it. Any language you change will show here. If you remember, the first one showed French. Now this one has changed to English. Now let's go back to our WeChat to check it. Now you go back, you go to your pay and services. Now you scroll up. Don't forget, click on buy together. Click on buy together. Boom. Everything is in English language. Have you liked this video? Turn on the notification bell because I'll be doing my unboxing of my freezer. Look, that just arrived, and I'll be dropping the supplier's link. Now let's say we want to buy this freezer. Let's see. So now, no more barrier. Can you see everything in English language, guys? Everything in English language. No more barrier. You see. Now let's look at what they are talking about. You can now read through. If you see now, this is not enough phrase in the future. I want to buy it. God, look at now. See. Refrigerator effect good. See that. So you can see if this supplier is a good supplier or not. When I was home alone, the big free couldn't work, so I bought a small fridge. Very good, is a major. So if there are negative reviews from this store, this navigating and making it change in your language will help you know very fast and not get from that supplier. That is the very good news of changing your Chinese shopping apps to English. Now look at this. So the freezer arrived quickly. The interior design is very sophisticated. The interior space is large. She even dropped the video on how the freezer looks like. Look at it. The freezer was received beautiful in appearance, reasonably designed. I don't know if this person, I'm going to be dropping my supplier on because my freezer came and so nice. I'll be doing my unboxing video in my next video. I'm dropping the video and I'll also be dropping the supplier's content. So yeah, so you don't fall victim, so you can buy it from same supplier.